What's up everybody, Too Long Didn't Read Filmmaker here, and welcome to my very first master course. Now this master course is completely free for you to watch here, and of course you can share it with your friends if you so choose. Now this master course is designed for the beginning filmmaker, and I'm going to teach you how you can create short films completely on your own. Now this master course is going to heavily reference my 9 short films that were done in this manner, so I'm going to leave a playlist link here as well as links down below. Please watch those short films before beginning this course. Now the main reason why I want you to start learning how to do short films on your own is because there's a lot of things that you will learn that I did. Basically, a lot of it comes down to how you plan your short films, how you develop your short films, the shot compositions, the way you edit them, and basically as you continue to practice these skills, you will have a much better chance of filming something more interesting when you start introducing other people into your projects. The last thing you really want to do is get a bunch of people together and not really have a clear idea of what it is that you want, and then you end up wasting other people's time, and that won't be good if you want to work with them in the future. And lastly, if you have any questions or comments, do leave them down in the comment section below. I will get to them as fast as I can. If there are any interesting questions that are going to be covered in a chapter later, then I will add them to the appropriate chapter. So without further ado, guys, thank you so much for all your support in my less than a year on YouTube, and welcome to the Too Long Didn't Read Filmmaker Master Course 101.